Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today is a very important questions we are going to solve. These questions came in Rrb and SSC exam 2024 to 25. So this is a very common question. Similar questions you will get common in various competitive exams. So question is add 2.4 bar plus 4.5 bar. Bar means the 4 is repeating out here. So we have put 4 bar. 5 is repeating. So they have put 5 bars. Now you have to add this one. How do you add? So I'll show you how do you add 2.4 bar plus 4.5 bar. This is a multiple choice questions. You have to choose the correct answer. So without any further delay, let's start. So the pattern, if the pattern is like that, so we need to do these two we have to add plus first. 4 plus 2, that will give you 6, plus 4.4 plus 0.5 bar, so that will give you, this is also you have to plus, so that will give you 5 plus 4, that is 0.9 bar is there, so you have to put the bar. So to remove the bar, what you have to do, 9, when you are going to remove the bar, so you have to divide it by 9. Since there is a bar on 9, so you have to divide it by 9. These things I had already explained in my previous videos, so you can check it, those who are new in my channel. So now if I cancel it, so it will give you 1, so that is 6 plus 1, that's give you 7. 7 is the correct answer. From the options you choose whether 7 is there or not. Yes, 7 is there in the option A, so A is the correct answer. So am I make it clear? I hope I can make it clear to all of you. If you have still any doubt, you can write in a comment box. I'll try to help you. Thank you for watching.